Hello. How you guys doing? Can you all hear me?
Yes.
Awesome. Yeah, sorry if you guys hear a little bit of background noise. I am working in my garage just because that's the best flight space that I have. And so there's cars passing by. All right, so we're gonna be waiting a little bit for some other students to come in. I'm gonna start the presentation at, should be 7:05 your time, right? And so quick question, so did you guys install PyCharm with Jane on Wednesday?
Say that again?
Did you guys install PyCharm with Jane on Wednesday?
No.
Okay, okay. So I guess we'll install it today as part of the many installations that we will do. Okay, so today is really just like last week it was mostly like an introduction day, and then today is like setup and having like at least a takeoff flight. So who has the drone today? Who actually has the drone with them physically?
I do, but it's not set up.
It's not set up, Samuel. So can you charge it?
I don't even have it taken out of the box yet.
You don't have the what?
I don't have it taken out of the box yet.
Oh, you don't have it taken out of the box yet? Okay, so I guess today we're gonna also do some unboxing. No problem at all. No problem. No problem. Okay, so give us, gonna do about 1 more minute, and then we're gonna go ahead and get started. So give me a little bit of time. All right. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. All right, so I'm gonna share my screen. Hopefully some people will trickle in due time. So I'm gonna go ahead and share my screen. I forgot that I also didn't have my camera on. All right, students, so welcome to, you can say, the second lesson of the aerospace robotics, of getting ready for the aerospace robotics competition that will occur in January, right? So I would like today to really get started with setting up your Tello Drone, and also setting up your environment for your Python environment for you to code the drone directly via the Python SDK that was designed to interact with your drone, right? So let me share my screen. And also I'm going to talk to Dr. Adebowale so that every student has the chance, so that the drone rotates hands at different periods of time, at different lessons, so that each one of the students has a chance to play with the drone, physically has the drone and code it with the code that we're going to be using, right? So let's see here. Let's start the presentation. Okay, so just to recap, this is how our Tello drone looks like, and I'm going to pull mine up in a little bit. So it has the propellers, it has a set of motors. These are brushless, what they call brushless motors. Right here at number 3, you'll kind of right here. So this is a better, because this is the physical drone. This is the aircraft status indicator. It basically shows what state the Tello is it still charging, so on and so forth. It has a camera, has a power button, it has antennas, and then a vision positioning system at the bottom to basically tell, so that the internal systems in the drone knows how high it is. It's a flight battery, and then micro USB port for charging. And then it also has propeller guards to make sure that whoever's flying the drone is safe, right? So first things first, Samuel, can you give us the honor of unboxing your Tello drone for everybody before I actually show mine?
Yeah, give me 1 second.
All right, awesome. So also turn on your camera so that everybody can see it.
Okay, let me take it off the shelf.
Okay, so anytime, just let us know.
Sorry, I just need 5 more minutes.
Okay. You're doing what, Samuel?
There was a misunderstanding with the Tello drone.
Okay. So you say you don't know where it is?
Yeah, I'm getting it right now.
Okay. Okay, so anyways, let me pull mine up so that we can get started. All right, so this is Tello Drone. I'm gonna turn off my background because sometimes Let me see. Let me turn off my background. Okay, so as you guys can see, I'm in my garage. This is the Tello EDU version. You guys have the stock version of the Tello. The functionality should be just about the same. This one has a bit more extra stuff, but you won't necessarily need that for the ARC. So this is how your Tello drone looks like. Your Tello drone looks more like the one in the PowerPoint presentation with the white top. But yeah, as far as the basic functionalities, they should all be the same and all be codable the same way, right? So Samuel, since you have the drone today, please download the Tello app. As far as Joe and Kobe, unfortunately, you guys, it won't be necessary for you guys to download this app now, just because you don't have the physical drone with you. It's no problem. So this one will be more for Samuel, so that we can make sure to calibrate the drone and everything.
Okay.
So yeah, Samuel, so go ahead. So please hurry up because time is ticking.
Joe's able to use the drone as well.
Excuse me?
Joe is able to use the drone as well.
Yeah, they'll be able to use the drone, just not today. Are they with you, Wen? Are you guys having the same meeting at the same place?
Yeah, he's my brother, so he's in the next room.
Oh, really? Oh, Joe. So Joe, but okay, how about Kobe?
No, I'm somewhere else.
Okay, yeah, sorry, yeah. So yeah, I guess this as far as downloading the Tello, I guess it'll be for Samuel and Joe.
Okay, it's downloading.
Okay, so can I see the drone? Did you guys finally unbox it? Okay, cool. So Joe, I see that you downloaded the app, right? So yeah, so take the drone out the box. So I want to see Joe and Samuel. Can you be in the same room? Because it looks like Joe downloaded the app on his iPad. I want to see Joe and Samuel in the same room.
Okay.
Yeah, so that you guys can calibrate the drone via Joe's iPad. Okay, hold on, Joe, hold on a second. Samuel, okay, so you guys are in the same room already? You guys are just at different sides? Okay, okay, I see Joe going. Okay, awesome. So Joe, turn on your Wi-Fi, turn on your iPad's Wi-Fi. Actually go to the Wi-Fi settings. You should see a Tello, you should see an option that shows Tello. Do you see it in the Wi-Fi?
Yeah, it's going to it.
Okay, so hold on. Actually, so turn on your drone. See if it's on. Did you turn it on?
It said it can connect by Bluetooth, I think.
No, you don't need to connect it via Bluetooth. Connect it via Wi-Fi. So yeah, put in one of the batteries. The drone, put the battery in the drone.
Okay.
Yeah. So there should already be a battery inside the drone. Is there not?
No, I don't think so, no.
Okay, so just plug in the battery and then turn on the drone. And then you should see the red light, the light blinking. This light, the aircraft status indicator, you should see it blinking. Excuse me?
It's not blinking.
Okay, how many batteries do you have?
2.
Okay, so try the other battery. And then if not, then you should just get like a charger, like a micro USB charger, and then just charge the drone.
Is there like an on button?
Yeah, the on button is on the other side. So look towards the bottom. Look, Samuel. So you see, this is, if you look at the drone, look at the other side of the micro USB port.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the power button. So press that. Okay, look, okay, fantastic. Okay, so Joe, look on your Wi-Fi, look at the Wi-Fis that you can connect to and find the one that's called Tello. Let me know when you find it and you press connect. Okay.
On Bluetooth?
No, not Bluetooth, but on Wi-Fi.
It
You
works.
see it?
Yeah.
It works? Okay, let me see the front of the drone. The front of the drone to see if how the light looks like. Okay, great. So go back to your app. Okay, first of all, put the drone down somewhere safe and be far away from it. Put it at the very back of the room. Put it at the back of the room. No, where I can see it where I can see it still on video. Put it at the back of the room. Exactly. Okay, fantastic. Okay, so now go back to the app. Go back to the Tello app. Go back to the Tello app and let me see what it looks like. Okay, beginner's guide. Hold on. No, don't go to beginner's guide. Go up top where it should show, let me see.
Wait, it says this.
Okay, fantastic. So now you can see your room, right? So do you see your room via the camera, right?
Yeah. It says
Okay, fantastic.
battery.
Okay, yeah, so it looks like you're gonna have to charge the drone, but just before you start charging it, go to the settings. Samuel, since you're the older brother,
Yes.
now I need you to take control real quick, right? Go to the app of your Tello and go to the Tello app and go to settings. I need you to go to settings.
Yeah.
And go to the menu that looks like this. Samuel, I don't see you.
Oh, I'm right here.
Okay, look at my screen and okay, yeah. So now press update firmware. You see where it says firmware version?
Yeah.
Press update. And if it's already updated, then it's okay, right?
It says connect to a network to download.
No, you don't need. Okay, yeah. Connect to your home's Wi-Fi network, and just press update firmware.
It says this.
Yeah, press it. Okay, so it's already updated.
It says,
What was the message? Did the message say that the firmware is already updated? Or download failed? What does that say? I can't see it.
it says connect to a network to download from.
Okay, so no problem. Go back to where it was showing the front camera.
Okay, I'm there.
Okay, and so up you should see a connect to Wi-Fi. Actually, no, press the gear. Press the gear as in like settings and go to Wi-Fi and connect to your home's Wi-Fi.
Okay.
Yeah, connect to your home's Wi-Fi.
Should it say password?
No, yes, you should have, just put in the Wi-Fi name and the password. So that we can at least update the firmware so that that's done. Excuse me?
It says tip, the Wi-Fi name and password will take effect after restarting.
After restarting what?
Manually connect to Wi-Fi network if automatic connection fails. And it says
Okay.
cancel and restart.
So it has you to restart it has you restart it.
It says this.
I can't see that. Okay, I guess you're gonna have to restart, try to restart your,
Can you see it now?
no, I still can't. Samuel, where are you?
Right here.
Okay, so help Joe connect to the Wi-Fi.
Did I restart?
So I guess you have to try to restart your iPad. Try to restart your iPad.
What?
Okay, so I think in the meantime, then we can leave all of this for later. So go back to your drone, and turn it off and then charge it. Since I saw that you went and got a battery, a charging cable, and I guess we're gonna do the updating the firmware last. So I saw that you got a power cable, so go and connect your drone to, and then charge it.
Okay.
How do you charge it? Oh,
Like you charge the phone, right? So turn it off first, make sure that it's off.
Yeah, I know how to charge it.
Okay, so you get like a cable, right? And then you just put it in like this, right? So you guys see my screen?
It's charging.
Okay, it's charging. So you connect it to your computer? Or did you connect it to what did you connect it to the wall?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so I guess we can do that later, okay? The updating the firmware later. Right now, we just gotta make sure that the drone is nice and charged, okay? So next thing is we wanna install PyCharm, right? So I guess, Joe, it's time for you to go back to your computer, to your workstation, and then we're gonna be installing this IDE, right? We're gonna be installing PyCharm. Okay. So search for PyCharm. I'm gonna go ahead and go to the internet now. So search PyCharm install. Samuel, I don't see you doing any type of installation. So I'm gonna put in the direct link in the chat, so that everyone can install PyCharm. And so make sure that you click the community edition. So you press this download button. And so let me know when you're done downloading it. So you should see this at the lower left-hand corner, PyCharm community. And then once that's done, you just select it. Like I already have PyCharm installed, so I don't need to do it. So let me know when you're kind of done. I mean, I'm sure you guys know how to download stuff. So
Should it
it'd be
be,
quite easy.
should it be Python, download python.org?
No, not python.org, but PyCharm. It's the IDE. That's the IDE that we're gonna be using. PyCharm, this right here. Okay, so let me know when you guys are done downloading it. Kobe, is everything okay on your end?
Yep.
So
Okay.
you have to type PyCharm.
Here, yes, here, Joe, let me see, can you share your screen? I'm gonna stop sharing mine so that I can help you install PyCharm. Go ahead and share your screen on Zoom for everyone.
And see my screen?
Try again. Okay, yeah, I can see it. I can see it. Great. So yeah, try PyCharm. So go there on Google. You see where you have Python. Yeah, so PY and then CHARM. Okay, there you go. PyCharm install. There you go. And now there, click download PyCharm. Exactly there. And then
Okay, I see.
what happened? I don't know what just happened, Joe. What just happened? So press download PyCharm. Share your screen. Share your screen again. Okay, so on the right-hand side, you have community. Don't press the blue, yeah, press the black one, exactly, press it. And so Samuel, were you there also? Okay, so don't click anything. You should see a download. Okay, great. So you see Joe on the left-hand side is just downloading an executable file. And hold on, once that's done, then we're gonna click it. Okay, so let's just wait a little bit.
PyCharm run on Google Chrome, or do I have to use Windows or Mac?
Yeah, it doesn't work. You're gonna have to use Windows or Mac. I don't think you can install PyCharm via you have a Chromebook?
Yeah, I'm using that right now.
Okay, yeah, you're gonna have to download it on an actual operating system. Let me see if you actually can. So PyCharm, Chromebook. Yeah, so your Chromebook will, oof. Here, I found something that maybe you can use. But yeah, I mean, we're gonna wait. I'm gonna try something after our meeting, and so that maybe next time we can get you set up. So I just sent you that link, and then I just posted that in the chat. Do you see it, Kobe?
YouTube one?
Hello?
Like the YouTube link?
Yeah.
All right, yeah, I see it.
Okay, yeah, I just found another one also. You can try that in the meantime. But hold on, Joe, we're not done. We're not done, Joe. Share your screen again.
At certain times, I also have to stop presenting because I have to share a certain tab.
No, you don't have to share a certain tab. You have to share your whole screen. Hold on. Okay, you see on the bottom left-hand corner, it has this type of Falkenhammer computer. No, just press keep, click bottom left, press keep. And so now click on that icon. Just click on it. No, left hand, yeah, just click on that, there we go. Or maybe you need to double click it. Okay, let's wait. Samuel, are you with us?
Yes.
Okay, so Joe, I can't see your whole screen because I think you pressed share tab or something like that.
It
And
says,
I can't see the message box that just popped up.
it says, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device?
Yes, press allow. Can you, Samuel, can you share your screen? I want to see what's going on your end. As far as the PyCharm installation.
Should I press next?
Press what? I can't see it. You're gonna have to reshare, or right now, we're gonna look at Samuel's. Okay, Samuel, you need to click on the bottom left-hand corner, the PyCharm community.exe. So press that. Left hand, bottom left, bottom left, bottom left, bottom. No, you see there's a tab, there's a downloads tab all the way at the bottom. Your mouse, put your mouse all the way at the bottom. Don't scroll down in the page. You see, there's actually at the bottom, it shows PyCharm community. Samuel, hold on. I'm gonna see if I can request remote control and just press OK. Okay, so I'm saying press this one. I'm not sure what's popping up. Is there anything popping up? Okay, great. So it's installing. All right. So Joe, can you see what we're doing? Are you at this step also? Joe, I can't hear you. You're muted.
Yes.
Okay, so make sure you press next, right? I'm gonna go to next, right? And then create a desktop shortcut, add open. So make sure that you have all of these checked. So you have PyCharm create desktop shortcut, PyCharm, all of this stuff. Make sure that you have all of this stuff checked. And then let me know.
I have all of them checked.
Okay, so now we're gonna go to next and then install, okay? So now we're installing the PyCharm IDE.
Now mine is loading.
Excuse me?
Mine is loading now.
Okay, yeah, good. So now it's loading.
Will it take a long time?
Excuse me?
Will this take a long time?
No, I don't think it should take a long time. But just in case it does, it actually might take a long time, but no problem. So, which is why we're doing this today, okay? So give up remote control. So now, Samuel, you can stop sharing, okay? So stop sharing, Samuel, can you stop sharing your screen, and then I'm gonna go ahead and go back to mine, okay? So,
My share screen, so you can just share.
yeah, just, excuse me? Oh, okay, well, it looks like it's almost done installing anyway, so maybe. Joe, how far is yours?
It's not that far.
Okay, cool.
It's at about 100% now.
Okay, great. All right. So it looks like you might have to restart your computer. Hold up. Yeah, let's do that. So just so that we can make sure that we at least have. Okay, so I guess Samuel and Joe, you guys are gonna have to restart your computers and then join us back in. Okay. So just start off your computer. I'm gonna take care of Kobe to make sure that of any issues that might come up because he's using a Chromebook, okay? So restart your computer and join back up in the meeting when your computer is booted up again, okay?
Can I press finish?
Yeah, press first, go up, reboot now. Make sure you save everything on your computer and then just restart and then join us back up in the meeting, okay? Same thing goes for you, Joe. All right, so see you in a bit.
Can I wait for mine to finish installing?
Okay, so yours is finishing up installing still?
Yes, almost done.
Okay, so yeah, when it's done, make sure to press reboot now and then restart it. So in the meantime, Kobe, so what happened with you and installing PyCharm in Chromebook?
So far it's kind of confusing and it's loading pretty slowly for me.
Okay, so share your screen and then I'll help you with that. Okay, so we don't want to do that. So hold up. Yeah, let me see. Were you using the YouTube video? Kobe, were you using the YouTube video, the instructions in the YouTube video? I can't hear you. Kobe, you're muted.
No, so I said like I have like a Mac computer that I could use this program on. I just can't use it right now because it's like,
Okay.
use.
Okay, no problem. Okay, so if I guess next time, or when you will have your Mac computer available, just follow the same exact instructions, but you see there where it says download PyCharm, you can just press on that Mac OS. But actually, I want to try installing it on your Chromebook. I just want to see something. Okay, hold up.
Do you reboot the computer?
Excuse me. Yeah, you need to reboot your computer, Joe.
Wait, how do you do it though?
So hold on. Does it show you an option that says reboot now or reboot later? What does it show? Joe, I can't see your. Joe, can you tell me what you see on your screen?
I just see, thank you for downloading PyCharm.
Hold on. share your screen real quick, Joe. I just want to see something. And then we're gonna go back to Kobe in a second. So Joe, I need you to share your screen. You shared a tab again. I don't see your screen. Like, I need you to share the whole window because right now I can't see everything. Like, you need to like reshare.
You see it now?
No. So I guess to reboot your computer, just restart your computer. That's what they mean. So restart your computer and then join the meeting again.
You just hold the power button.
No, that's not good. Actually, you see go down. No, go down and press the Windows. Yeah, Windows as if you were gonna turn it off just regularly. You see bottom left, yeah, window, and then just restart now. Click it. And then go down, power. Yeah, restart, just restart it.
Bye.
And then join us, and then join the meeting again once you're connected. Okay?
Bye.
All right. Okay, so Mr. Kobe. So share your screen again real quick. On the bottom left-hand corner of your Chromebook, I want you to go to the settings as if you're gonna go to the Wi-Fi and then click on the gearbox. So click that, right? And so hold on. It has you go to, okay, so it looks like you're gonna be adding something. So I guess you need to add an app called Linux Beta. So you see app, you see where it says apps? Yeah, and search for Linux. Yeah, search for that app. No, not there, like in the actual, not in the search settings, but you see up. No, don't press download. Go up. Go all the way up. You see where it says manage your apps, search apps. Okay, so type in Linux. I just want to see something. Okay, hold on. I think I sent the same video twice. I apologize. Okay, so give me a second. Yeah, I sent you the same video. I have found another thing. Can you search for marketplace? No, developers. Do you see a developers tab there on the left in your settings? Okay, looks like maybe they're in manage your apps. Just search for, instead of searching for Linux, search for developers. Okay, I guess this is something that you can't do. Yeah, it looks like it will be a wider issue, but no problem at all. How do you install applications on your Chromebook typically? You're muted, Kobe.
You go to like the Chrome Web Store and you just download applications from there.
Okay, so go to that. I just want to see something. Okay, so now try look for developers. Yeah.
Well, it's developer.
Developers.
Ah,
Is this what we have to download on the Chrome Web Store?
Yeah, that's just what it looks like. Okay, that doesn't work. Look for okay, search in apps and look for that Linux one, that Linux beta. Yeah, so beta, yeah. So just search for that. Okay, so that doesn't work. Okay, can you try PyCharm directly from the app or? Oh, there you're looking for extensions.
no, it's just what comes up.
Okay, so search for Linux in apps and press apps instead of extensions. And look for Linux. Just type in Linux only. Okay, looks like this is probably gonna be a wider issue. So just ignore it. So for this Python class, what do you typically use? Like what IDE do you use when Jane is teaching?
I haven't been to any of the teachings. Like, I don't know.
Oh, really? Okay, okay. So this is okay, no problem at all. I am I'm gonna talk to Jane. But yeah, so for this class, I highly recommend that you use an actual operating system. So how do you code in Python in general? So have you coded in Python before?
No.
No, you haven't. Okay.
No.
Okay, no problem at all. No problem. I'm gonna search for solutions for you for a Chromebook. Let me see something. Oh, beta. Chromebook. Here, actually, go back to your settings really quickly and then go to advanced. Go to advanced and then down. Is there no developers? That's crazy.
Is there anything else we should do with the drone?
No, just leave it charging for now. Just because it was there was an issue. Yeah, it looks like your Chromebook, hold on, let me see. Running Python on Chromebook. I'm gonna look this up. Yeah, typically, so let me go ahead and share my screen now, Kobe. So it looks like typically a lot of these Chromebooks, they will have, so you go to settings, kind of like how we did it. They should have that Linux one on. So I don't know where, I don't know why yours doesn't. I don't know why yours doesn't. Can you try to, setting up install Linux apps. Can you search for terminal on yours? Can you go into your apps and just try to search for terminal?
So wait, at the Chrome Web Store?
No. Yeah, actually, that would be okay. Look for that.
Okay, Chrome Web Store. I search up what?
Terminal. So go ahead and share your screen again. So Joe's back.
All right.
Hello.
Hello. Okay. Okay. I think I'm gonna have to have an office hours with you, Colby. Maybe, yeah, I don't want to take up too much time. But yeah, it looks like we definitely need you to set up so that you can run Python, because on your Chromebook, just because maybe you can use Colab, but your Colab won't work without the internet. And typically when we connect to the Tello Drone, we need to connect it via Wi-Fi, as you saw earlier, right? So that's gonna be an issue, right? Okay. So we're gonna have to do a separate office hours for you.
All right.
Yeah. Okay. So now that we have Joe and Samuel back, right? So actually, I'm gonna have Samuel share his screen again. Samuel, can you please share your screen? Okay. So now look for PyCharm on your computer. Just search, yeah, just search. Okay, so you see Pi is there. Awesome. Okay, so now it's should be popping up. Okay, so now press confirm that I have read and accepted the terms and user agreement. Joe, you should be doing the same thing. So look for PyCharm and click on it. So Samuel, go ahead, press continue. Okay, so just press send anonymous statistics. Joe, are you there with us?
It doesn't show the link because I rebooted my computer.
Okay, no, search for PyCharm on your computer. Like you see, on your computer, you should see like a little search, as if you're like searching for like a file. And then search PYCH. Do you see the icon now?
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, press it as if you're pressing. Okay, great. So now hold on. Let's wait for Mr. Joe to be here. So Joe, once you get to the screen where it says welcome to PyCharm, let us know, okay? You said what? Joe, can you share your screen? I want to see if you're there.
This one is supposed to be.
Yeah, yeah, Samuel, that's exactly where you're supposed to be. Now we're waiting on Joe. If you want, you can go and help him, since it should be in the same place, but. Okay, so at the bottom left, you see when you type to search, you see where it says type here to search? Yeah, look for PyCharm, PYCH. No, PYCH. I don't know, yeah, PYCH, PYCH, there you go, there it is, there it is. That's your PyCharm, press open. So what's going on? Okay, so Joe, you see there's the PyCharm icon at the bottom that is blinking.
Oh, I see it.
Okay, yeah, press that. Okay, so now press I confirm that I have press the checkbox exactly. And now continue. Okay, send anonymous statistics. Okay, great. So now your PyCharm should be set up. And now the last thing that we're gonna do is create a project. And then we're gonna make sure to update the firmware on your Tello Drone.
When does the meet end?
Excuse me?
When does the meet end?
When does the what? The meeting should be done in about 15 minutes.
Okay.
It's almost 8 o'clock.
Yep. It's okay. That's exactly what we're doing this now so that we can, the setup is important. Okay, so now Samuel, you and Joe are at the exact same place. So now Joe, press there on new project. You see where it says new project, click there, press the plus button, right? And so now what happened? Okay, so now name your project. No, don't press create yet. Don't press create yet. So you see up there where it says location, don't call it Python project, call it backspace a little bit until you get to the backslash and call it my Tello project. So backspace a little bit. And then, okay, so my Tello. So you don't want a space. You want to make sure to put an underscore. Backspace, put an underscore between my and Tello. I mean, yeah, put an underscore. So backspace and then underscore. No, that's not an underscore. Yeah, but there's still a space there. Don't remove that space. I don't know what you're doing. You deleted the Y. No. No. Yes. I don't know why you're creating more spaces, Joe. Okay, backspace. There you go. Now press create. Okay, press create. Okay, so what we're gonna do next is you should go to like file settings. So you see whenever we have class, you're gonna have to go into the same project. Just press the PyCharm and you should be in there. So press close that. Close that tip of the day stuff, close it. Yeah, close that one. We'll just wait for it. So what does it show? Some Python. Okay, so you didn't install Python. So just press OK. I guess maybe Do you guys, with Jane, do you guys use Anaconda? It's
Yeah.
okay, so go there, go to File, and then Settings. Up at the top left-hand corner, Joe. Yeah, press File. And then Settings, no, File, Settings, File, Settings, down. I mean, I don't know, should be okay. And then go there to where it says Project My Tello, go down. No, on the left-hand side where it has the settings. Project My Tello, go down, all the way down, down, middle. Yeah, oh, you saw it, you skipped it where it says Project My Tello. Yes, and expand that real quick. And press Python interpreter. And then press the gearbox. Actually, press the drop-down button where it says no interpreter. Press the drop-down. Yeah, click that. And then show all. Press show all. Press the plus button. Okay, so you see where it says Python 3.9. Okay, press Conda environment. You see on the left hand, yeah, press Conda environment. Press that, yep. And then now just press OK. Okay, Samuel, are you also following?
Not really.
Okay. So thank you for being honest, right? That's a good thing, right? Because you can say yes, and then I can assume that you're on track. But yeah, thank you for being honest and telling me. So now go ahead and share your screen so that I can help you. Mr. Samuel, I need you to share your screen.
That is my screen.
Okay. So press, okay. So yeah, I guess you guys are using Anaconda, no problem.
I can't go into Spider.
No, yeah, press new project, click new project. And then, no, don't do that. You see where it says new environment using? So first of all, yeah, rename your project to my_Tello.
My what?
Instead of my_ and then Tello. Oh, no, press Control Z, don't delete the whole thing. Don't delete, Control Z, Control, keep going. Yeah, you see where it says delete everything up to the backslash. Just after, yeah, so up to where you get the backslash and then stop. Okay, there you go. And then my_Tello. You can have it all lower cap if you want. That's a dash. So the MY could be, okay, no problem. Okay, that's not an issue. You see where it says my environment using? So press the drop down. Press the drop-down menu and select Conda. There we go. Press Conda. Nope, you missed it. You didn't do that. Conda, select, boom. Okay, so awesome. So now press Create. Down at the bottom, and now create your environment. Create it, press Create, boom. Okay, awesome. Should be good. Okay, awesome. All right, so just press close. Just for today, I'm gonna show you like a quick demonstration of using the Tello with the drone with Python, and then next time for next week we should be good to go. So yeah, let me do that really quick just because we're running out of time. First, I'm gonna connect to the Zoom via my phone so that I can show you a few things, right? Let's see. All right, can you hear me? I can't hear you.
Yes, we can hear you.
Okay, awesome. So you guys are able to see my Zoom from my phone, right? So I'm gonna go open up my PyCharm projects, just like you all. So, you know, this is what you guys are gonna do next week. So typically you go here to File and then Settings. And then I call my project Blended Learning Tello Drone. And then you have your interpreter. And then you search for DJI Tello Pi, which is the SDK for using DJI Tello, your Tello, right? And so you just install it, right? No problem at all. So we're gonna be installing it, and then just make sure it will be done soon. Okay, so it's installing, and then I'm also gonna share this. So let me control click. Hold up, I'm gonna put my phone down real quickly. Control click. Okay, it's done. And then to connect to your Tello is like a few lines of code. So from DJI Tello import Tello. I'm gonna go ahead and
Can I share my screen when you're done? Because I can't really see what you're doing.
yeah, I'm gonna do that in a second. I just wanted to make sure to fly the Tello. Give me a second. Yeah, for Tello. Tello. That Tello. So the thing is, you have to make sure to connect to the Tello Wi-Fi. So I'm gonna go ahead and unplug my Tello drone, right? And then I need to put my phone down because I was charging mine also. So I'm gonna turn it on. So you should see that the light starts doing that, right? And then I go to my computer. Oops. This light does that. And then I go to my computer, and then I look for Tello, and I press connect. So now my computer's Wi-Fi is going to connect to the Tello. Okay, it looks like it's connected. And now the light should be something like this, right? So now I'm going to put my Tello somewhere else so that you can see it fly. It's right here. You see the light pattern is different. So now I'm gonna run my code that is just there to connect to the Tello. So run Python file in console. Allow. Let me see, stay back. Hold up. I think I put this in the wrong file. Anyways, let me close this one. Tello experiments folder, the one that works. Give me a second. I'm gonna open up. There's a new project that I was working with. All right, so let's see, connect to the Tello. Shit. Okay, so when you connect to your Tello, it shows, so this is a script that I wrote before. So my drone connect.true. And then each here, I also have some piece of code that I'm gonna share with you to show the battery, right? And it's okay, I'm just gonna stop this now. I'm gonna have my drone take off and fly, and then we're gonna end the meeting. It's okay, we'll do the firmware stuff next time. So I'm gonna do this.
We're going to do the rest of the stuff next Friday.
I couldn't hear that because my drone just took off, so you see. This is the Tello. I was able to connect it and make it move a little bit. And then land, okay? So,
Easy to control.
excuse me? Say that again?
Is it easy to control?
Yeah, I mean, so long as you know how to code it, you can control it, right? So, yeah, okay, so I'm gonna stop this for now, and then let me switch back my Wi-Fi. And then I'm gonna log back in to the meeting, right? All right. So there's two of me here now.
Ooh.
All right, so I'm gonna call it for today. Just because we're at 7:15. It's okay, we'll make sure to update the firmware next week, and if anything, I'm gonna talk to Dr. Adebowale so that we can I can maybe have him update the firmware for next week's meeting, right? But yeah, so thank you all for today. Today we're still installing things. And also on your phone, look for this other application and also download this app either on your phone or on your iPad. So this app is called Drone Blocks. This app is called Drone Blocks, and look for it and download it.
We should download it on our device.
No, on your phone or on your tablet.
So I can download it on my iPad.
Yeah, you can. and then we'll make sure to continue next time. Okay?
Okay.
All right, so download drone blocks, and then Kobe. So I'm gonna stop the recording because the meeting is over. I don't know if I can actually. Yeah, I don't have admins. So it looks like all of this is automatically uploaded. So yeah, Kobe, I don't think your Chromebook has the ability, I don't know if it's a full operating system. Can you type in your email in the chat? And then maybe we can meet next week, like 30 minutes before class, or maybe 30 minutes before Wednesday's class, so that you can also participate. So type in your email in the chat, and then I'm gonna send you a invite for 30 minutes before Wednesday's Python class with Jane, so that we can brainstorm into how to run Python on your Chromebook so that you can also be coding with everyone. All right? All right, fantastic. So thank you all for today. So I'll see you next week where we're gonna actually fly our Tello Drone. Okay, bye-bye. See you.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.